Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, July 12, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, July 12, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong July 12, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, July 12, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for July 12, 2025, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, July 12, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.